Hi there, Rhonda here. Are you one of those, or maybe it's your friend or somebody close to you who's constantly saying, gosh, if I just only had some more time. You know, we can't manufacture any more time, right? We all get 168 hours a week. Not a penny more, not a minute more, not a minute less. That's what we get. But how are we spending it? Well, next month's UNversity lesson is on how to create more space in your time, right? Time can be measured in different categories, and we're going to work through how to do that and how to, again, be able to create that space for time to move you ahead in life, to get those things that you want, to do those things you want, to spend time with the people you want. So you don't want to miss the lesson, all right? UNversity coaching lesson. It's the first Thursday of every month, but you need to sign up before the end of the month prior. So by the 30th or the 31st, click on the link, get yourself signed up to make sure that you're part of next month's lesson on how to create more space in your time. All right. And remember, if you need me in the meantime, I'm just a click or a tap away. Stay ready.
When you're really, really ready to get ready, get Ronda ready.